Hi everyone, my name is Rita. For those who don't know me or for those who never seen me before on this space. So I've been doing content writing with Weekly for quite some time, and I'm part and parcel of TechHood 254. So today I just want to clarify a few questions that we've been asked by some of our clients and also some of the potential clients that we've had the opportunity to interact with about our tutorial. And the first question that keeps on coming up is, will I get a job immediately after buying your tutorial? Now, I would like to tell you guys that when you are investing in this tutorial, what we are giving to you is a skill set. What motivated us to come up with this tutorial in the first place is because we wanted to come up with something that we would have needed when we were starting out, something we did not have, and we feel that other beginners would want to have as they begin this journey in content creation and content writing, which is our specialty. So we are not going as in to give you a job once you buy the tutorial. What we are giving you is the skill that you need to find the job that you want. So what you're going to learn from our tutorial will help you know, like where do you go when you need to, which platforms do you go when you need to find a job, and you'll also get the pleasure to be in a private community that we'll be creating very soon, where we'll be sharing resources with you on where you can get jobs and where you can get answers to some of the pressing questions that you have concerning content writing. In this platform that we want to create, you'll also get an opportunity to gain more knowledge from other people that you will meet there, because some people may have the same questions that you have, some people may have links that you may not have. So we want, because we're in the knowledge-based industry, we want to create a community where people can share and learn from each other and grow in content writing, in the content writing industry. Next question that often comes up is, how long does it take before I start earning money when working online? Now, we would want to tell you that working online, of course you know that it works. If you've watched our videos, it works and it has worked for us. But it takes patience, and you need to have the right skills for you to start earning money. You don't just wake up one day and you earn money immediately. You need to have the skills, and it will take time for you to get the skills, and you need to get the right people that can help you get the skills that you need for you to start earning. And once you start earning, then you will realize that it's a very lucrative industry, and when you're passionate about it, you'll continue growing. And if your knowledge, if your desire to learn is there, then you'll continue to grow in this particular industry because it has worked for us. On to the next question that often comes up. So some people ask that if they cannot, if they're not in a position to afford the tutorial, how can we help them? So first of all, we would like you to know that it's okay, and we understand that sometimes you're not in a position to buy a certain product or a certain service at a particular time, and it's okay. Everyone has been in that position at some point. But why we sell the tutorial that we have is because we have put 4+ years of experience into this tutorial. We've written it with a lot of passion. We've dedicated our time to come up with all this material for you, because we know that if you learn, if you have this high income skill, because this is a high income skill, then it is going to benefit you. So what we encourage you to do is to save up and invest in a skill set. Whether you invest in the skill set that you are offering or in something else, it is important that you invest in knowledge, because it's knowledge that allows you to grow. It's knowledge that opens doors to opportunities. So take your time and make sure that you save up enough money and make that investment, because it will really change your life. So those are usually the frequently asked questions by most clients and potential clients that we've gotten. But you can also find other questions on our frequently asked questions on our website, so check them out. Thank you so much for your support, for your loyalty, for sharing our content, and we pray and hope that what we share with you will be of benefit to you and to even your friends and the people you share this with. May you continue to grow financially and in every area, and see you on our next video. Bye.